Hey, it's your favorite nail girl, Whitney Love. Thank you so much for having me back. I'm so excited. Let's jump right into it. Pantone's color of the year for 2022 is Very Perry, and this color is very beautiful. It's vivid, it's got violets, it's a brilliant blue, and it's got a little bit of red undertones. I actually wanted to incorporate it on my eyes, so I hope you guys like it. A little bit of eye candy for you guys. But this color I connected with immediately because it's actually my birthday. I know what you're thinking, right? Make it make sense, right? All right, I'm gonna break it down. The formula for Very Perry is 17, but the last four numbers is 3938. 3938 is actually my birthday. I know, wait a minute. Don't lose me. I always celebrated my birthday on March 8th and March 9th. Because when I was growing up, I was always raised that my birthday was the 9th. It wasn't until I was 15 and saw my own birth certificate with my own eyes, and the birth certificate said March 8th. Talk about identity crisis. I'll talk more about it over karaoke and cocktails. That's another conversation. Back to this beautiful, beautiful crystal. The color reminded me of an amethyst, so I wanted to highlight the beautifulness of this crystal. And I knew that I could incorporate the challenge with the different layers because it's still the same color, just a variation of the same color. So yes, I'm going to be using this crystal as my muse. It's so beautiful. And this amethyst also means courage, which I feel like I can pertain that to actually what I'm doing right now. I've never done something like this, so I'm using all the courage up from this crystal. I'm really excited for you guys to see what I have created. I'm very passionate about it. And yes, let's just jump right into it. Here's what I did. So my challenge was to create nail art inspired by the color Very Perry. Sounds simple, right? Guess again. You must only use one color, creating various shades. So I was easily inspired by a crystal. I knew I was going to do stiletto and they were going to be long. The longer, the better. I wanted to create a marbling effect, an earth-like effect, and just incorporate the different variations of the colors Very Perry. Such a beautiful color. Look how beautiful this color is. Pro tip, fan out the bristles of your brush to get a nice, neat cuticle area. Works every time. Another pro tip, clean off your perimeters before you cure. So gorgeous. You see the violets, you see the brilliant blue, a little bit of red undertones. Beautiful. So I wanted to dilute the color to make different variations by adding white. So I took in white and I mixed them in to create 4 different colors of the same color. It's very important that I made sure I understood the assignment. Also, this color means courage and tranquility. So I was really happy to use this color. It's exactly what I need right now. So I wanted to create like a marble effect using blooming gel to really expand the color out and just kind of make the colors emerge into one, but still highlighting the different variations. Right here, I'm just having fun. I'm playing with it. I'm being courageous, just like that color. Now, using my trusty, handy airbrush machine. Pro tip, you want to make sure to add some acetone in. Mix it in with your color. That's going to get a nice consistency so you can do that airbrushing. And right here, I'm just adding a little bit more dimension. If you think back to that crystal, it has a lot of dimension. Look at it. Do you see that? Yes, just layers. Yes. I'm going to be using some diamond gel to add in some Swarovski pixie crystals. I wanted to use Swarovski because I feel like it really will highlight the dimension of a rock-like crystal element, and it delivered. Next, I'm going to be using some colored acrylic. Pro tip, add some acetone in with your flowers. Okay, if you don't, you will be doing flowers for 3 days. Put a little bit of acetone in there. It'll really help set the nail flower so you can give it the layers that you need. A little leaf right there, just adding some detail. Hey, go big or go home, right? Now I'm going to be using a little bit of resin and I'm going to apply more crystals, but in detailed spots, and I'm going to freeze it with this Hurry Up spray. So beautiful, so beautiful. Look at that. I am in love. Ah, I know my client will love these. When in doubt, glitter it out, okay? You can always add glitter, always. This picture really doesn't even do these nails justice. You need to see them in person. But pro tip, use a LED hands-free light when applying. I'm going to be using the Gel X method by Opre. So quick and easy application. No liquid, no odor, no dust. And voila, there you have it. I am so proud of this. My client absolutely loved these. I had such a really, really good time with this. Let me know your thoughts.